हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल CHC आर्ट्स एंड कॉमर्स फॉर बाय द वे। मेरा नाम अमित कुमार साव और आप सभी लोग हमारा चैनल में दोस्त स्वागत है। सो गाइस, आज हम लोग डिस्कस करने वाले बिजनेस मैथमेटिक्स एंड स्टैटिस्टिक्स का 2025, 2024, 2023, 2022, 2019 का मैं 2 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन बताऊंगा कि ये सब सालों में कौन कौन सा 2 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन आया था। सो गाइस, सबसे पहले बिजनेस मैथमेटिक्स एंड स्टैटिस्टिक्स का 2025 का 2 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन बताता हूं कि क्या क्या आया था। 2. Answer 7 of the following questions, selecting 2 each from bit A, C, D and 1 from bit B with 2 sentences not exceeding 40 words each. 2 into 7 equal to 14. So guys, A question number 1 का बात guys, test whether y equal to 2x to the power 4 plus 3x to the power 2 is an even or odd function. Question number 2 का guys, what is a symmetric matrix? Question number 3 का guys, find the product of A and B matrix. A equal to 2, 5, 6, B equal to 3, 2, 4. B. Question number 4 का guys, find the value of lim x arrow 3 x square minus 5x plus 6 by x square minus 4x plus 3. Question number 5 का guys, find the differential coefficient of y equal to 1 by x square. C. Question number 6 of the guys, write any 2 mathematical properties of arithmetic mean. Question number 7 of the guys, if the mean of the 2 series and number of observation of 2 series are 10, 15 and 5, 6 respectively, find their combined mean. Question number 8 of the guys, find the value of median from the following data x, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. F. 4, 6, 5, 4, 3. D. Question number 9 of the guys, write any 2 characteristics of an ideal measure of dispersion. Question number 10 of the guys, from the following data calculate range and coefficient of range. Marks 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. Number of students 6, 8, 10, 6. Question number 11 का बात guys, write any 2 demerits of mean deviation. Question number 12 का guys, the standard deviation and coefficient of variation of a series are 5 and 25% respectively. Find out the mean of the series. So guys, अब बिजनेस मैथमेटिक्स एंड स्टैटिस्टिक्स का 2024 में क्या क्या 2 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन आया था मैं अब बताता हूँ। ठीक है गाइस। 3. Answer any 10 questions of the following within 30 words each. 2 into 10 equal to 20. Question number A का guys, write any one property of determinant. Question number B का guys, if A equal to 2, 3 minus 1, 4, find 2A. Question number C का guys, write any 2 subsets of the set 1, 2, 3. Question number D का guys, what type of function 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 is. Question number E का guys, evaluate lim x arrow 2 x square minus 4 by x minus 2. Question number F का guys, differentiate x plus 1 by x square with respect to x. Question number G का guys, evaluate 3 by 4x square dx. Question number H का guys, name any 2 mathematical averages and any 2 positional averages. Question number I का guys, calculate the geometric mean of 27, 64 and 343. Question number J का guys, write any 2 demerits of mode. Question number K का guys, what is range. Question number L का guys, write the 2 formulae for determining the relative measure of mean deviation about mean and about median. Question number M का guys, state the formula for calculating coefficient of variation and explain the meaning of symbols used. So guys, अब हम लोग बिजनेस मैथमेटिक्स एंड स्टैटिस्टिक्स का 2023 का 2 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन क्या क्या आया था वो मैं बताता हूँ, ठीक है गाइस। आंसर एनी 10 of the following questions within 30 words each. 2 into 10 equal to 20. Question number A का guys, write any two features of an ideal measure of central tendency. Question number B का guys, what is an inverse function? Question number C का guys, evaluate 1 by x to the power 4 dx. Question number D का guys, what do you mean by equivalent sets? Question number E का guys, find the arithmetic mean of natural numbers from 1 to 20. Question number F का guys, if matrix A equal to 2, 3, 4 and matrix B 5, 6, 7, find AB. Question number G का guys, determine the minor and cofactor of the first element lying in first row and first column of the following determinant. A equal to 2, 5, 3. 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Question number H का guys, find the value of lim x arrow 5 x square minus 25 by x minus 5. Question number I का guys, the arithmetic mean and harmonic mean of two numbers are 32 and 28 respectively. Find out the geometric mean of the two numbers. Question number J का guys, write any two limitations of arithmetic mean. Question number K का guys, the highest limit of a distribution is 60 and the coefficient of range is 0.2. Find the lowest limit of the distribution. Question number L का guys, what do you mean by domain of a function? So guys, अब हम लोग बिजनेस मैथमेटिक्स एंड स्टैटिस्टिक्स का 2022 का 2 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन क्या क्या आया था मैं बताता हूँ, ठीक है गाइस। 3. Answer any 5 of the following questions. 2 into 5 equal to 10. Question number A का guys, name any two measures of central tendency. Question number B का guys, what is a singular matrix. Question number C का guys, what is a set. Question number D का guys, state any two merits of arithmetic mean. Question number E का guys, state the two empirical relation between mean, median and mode in case of asymmetrical distribution and in case of a moderately asymmetrical distribution. Question number F का guys, from the following data state a model class with reason. Marks below 10, below 20, below 30, below 40, below 50. Number of students 4, 13, 37, 43, 50. Question number G का guys, write the formula for calculating absolute and relative measures of quartile deviation. Question number H का guys, if mean deviation about median of 12.95 is 54.8, then find the coefficient of mean deviation. So guys, अब हम लोग बिजनेस मैथमेटिक्स एंड स्टैटिस्टिक्स का 2019 में 2 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन क्या क्या आया था मैं बताता हूँ। 4. Answer any 10 of the following questions within 30 words each. 2 into 10 equal to 20. A. So that 1, 1, 1. 1 minus 1, 1, 2, 1 minus 1 is the non-singular matrix. Question number B का guys, state any two merits of a standard deviation. Question number C का guys, if the sum and arithmetic mean of several observations are 133 and 19 respectively, then find the numbers of observations. Question number D का guys, find the differential coefficient of x log e x. Question number E का guys, if a equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, b equal to 1, 7, 8 and c equal to 3, 5, 8, 10, 12, then find A union B intersect B union C. Question number F का guys, if the coefficient of variation and standard deviation of 10 observations are 40% and 2 respectively, find their arithmetic mean. Question number G का guys, so that f(x) equal to 7x to the power 6 plus 3x to the power 4 minus 2x to the power 2 plus 4 is an even function. Question number H का guys, what is meant by order of a matrix. Question number I का guys, find the mode from the following values 10, 12, 14, 15, 17, 15, 17, 18, 20, 22, 17, 15, 14, 12, 15. Question number J का guys, evaluate 8x to the power 3 plus 33x to the power 2 minus cx x minus 7 dx. Question number K का guys, find the harmonic mean of 2, 4, 5, 10. Question number L का guys, find the product of 2, 3 minus 1 into 1, 0, 2, 3 minus 2, 4, 2, 1, 0. Question number M का guys, find the interquartile range and quartile deviation from the three quartiles 36, 54 and 72. सो गाइस आज के लिए इतनी। अगर ये वीडियो आपको थोड़ा सी अच्छा लगा तो वीडियो को लाइक करना, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना और अपने दोस्तों को शेयर करना। ठीक है गाइस, जय हिंद, जय भारत।